What is the journey of divorce papers from petition to judgment? Imagine starting a process that will officially end a marriage, but not knowing all the steps involved. That's what happens when you go through divorce papers from the beginning to the final court decision. Let's walk through this journey together so you understand what to expect. It all begins when one spouse, called the petitioner or plaintiff, fills out a divorce petition. This document explains why they want a divorce and lists issues like child custody, support, property division, and alimony. They then file this petition with the family or county court, either online or in person. Once filed, the petitioner must make sure the other spouse, called the respondent or defendant, receives a copy of the divorce papers. This is called serving the papers. Service can be done by a process server, sheriff, or sometimes by registered mail. The respondent then has a set amount of time, usually 30 days, to respond to the petition. If they agree with everything, they can sign a joint settlement agreement. If they disagree, the case may go to trial. If the respondent does not respond within the deadline, the petitioner can ask the court for a default judgment. This means the court can grant the divorce without the respondent's input. When both parties agree on all issues, they submit a settlement agreement to the court. The court reviews it and, if everything looks good, includes it in the final divorce order. If the case is contested, the court schedules hearings where both sides present evidence and arguments. The judge then makes decisions on unresolved issues. Once all issues are settled, the court issues a final judgment or decree. This document officially ends the marriage and states the terms of custody, support, and property division. After the judge signs the final judgment, it becomes legally binding and enforceable. Throughout this process, it's important to follow procedural rules, serve papers correctly, and respond on time. Many people find it helpful to get legal advice to make sure everything is done properly. So, the journey of divorce papers moves from filing the initial petition, serving the spouse, responding to the case, resolving issues either by agreement or court decision, and finally receiving the court's final order that legally ends the marriage.